Nylatron GS is based on the 6,6 version of nylon. It's a combination of nylon and molybdenum disulfide, and it's specifically designed to have the same chemical and electrical properties as 6,6 nylon, but with better mechanical and thermal properties. To say that more plainly, people often gravitate to Nylatron GS when they are considering using nylon 6,6, but they need better mechanical and/or thermal properties. For example, if they're designing bearings that need to be exposed to higher heat levels than nylon can usually handle. Another great benefit of Nylatron GS is that it has very fine particles of molybdenum sulfide solid lubricant in it. This makes the material self-lubricating, which is ideal for applications where lubrication is impossible or impractical. Nylatron GS is also resistant to scratching or galling. It has very good insulation properties, and it's also resistant to oils, greases, solvents, organic acids, and most alkali. At Controlled Fluidics, we usually see this material used for bearings, gear pads, and wheels, but we also see it in valve seals and mechanical components. Like most materials, it has a wide range of applications in different industries.